Hey everyone, today I'm diving into the fascinating world of solar panels. Ever wondered how these shiny surfaces laying on rooftops or sprawling across vast fields actually work? Well, stick around and I'll break it down for you. First off, the heart of a solar panel is something called a photovoltaic, or PV cell. These cells are not just any material, they're made from substances like silicon, which have a special property. When sunlight hits these materials, they get excited, literally. They release electrons, and this movement of electrons generates electricity. Now, the electricity produced by solar panels is in the form of direct current, or DC. But here's the twist. Most of our home appliances run on alternating current, or AC. So how do we bridge this gap? That's where an inverter comes into play. This clever device converts DC into AC, making the solar power suitable for everyday use. But solar panels aren't just about individual cells. They're usually grouped in arrays to boost their power output. These arrays can be part of larger photovoltaic systems, which might include controllers to manage the power flow, meters to measure it, and sometimes trackers that tilt the panels towards the sun for maximum efficiency. Now you might be thinking, what's in it for me? Well, solar panels tap into the sun, a renewable and clean energy source. This means lower electricity bills and reduced greenhouse gas emissions, a win-win for your wallet and the planet. But keep in mind, their effectiveness can be influenced by factors like sunlight availability and the need for occasional cleaning. So, whether it's reducing costs or contributing to a healthier environment, integrating solar technology at home has compelling advantages. Sure, there's an upfront cost, but the long-term benefits can truly outweigh this initial investment. And that's how solar panels work, bringing us cleaner, greener energy right from the sun. Hopefully, this sparks your interest in perhaps harnessing the power of the sun for your own home. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more insights like this.